Welcome everyone. Every Thursday we try to learn a little bit from the Kedushas Levi. This week's Parshas Tisa. We read Ayavor Kisisas Reish B'nei Yisrael of Kudeim Nasnu Ish Kaifer Nafsher Lashem. Another explanation is when it says, and when you lift up the heads of the children of Israel according to accounting, and each man gives an atonement of his soul to the Lord. Haklal Kamoshem Avoy Rezer Kodesh Moshe Elokim V'Yikra Lov Hashem. So our initial verse is in the book of Exodus, chapter 25. The Kedushas Levi harkens back to what the Zohar comments on Exodus 19, verse 3. And Moses rose up to God, and the Lord called unto him, Kol Aliyah Sol Adam Yal Kol Hashem. It means that whenever a person goes up, the whole point of going up is going up to God and to make God his king. So Remez Kisisa Shrosh B'nei Yisrael Lo Yisraelim L'Fkudeyim. And that's the meaning of, that's hinted here, when you lift up the heads of the children of Israel in order to be for their counting, Pekudalash and Malchus. This term of counting, which is also a term of appointing, is a term of the kingdom. Lashon Yafkid HaMelech, as we're going to read tonight, as I'm recording this a few days ago, I'm recording this on Monday, Tinus Esther. The book of Esther, chapter 2, verse 3, we're going to read tonight and tomorrow. V'yafkid HaMelech Pekidim, and the king appointed appointments. V'nasnu ish kofer nafsho Hashem, and the man gives the atonement of his soul to the Lord, Yeh Lehem Eliyas Rak Hashem, that he should only be lifted up only to God. That's the whole point of Purim. That's the whole point of everything we're doing. God bless. Please like, share, and subscribe. Please make comments and help us in Harbatzas Torah. God bless.